Do you know how to check your credit report in India? This is a question that can be pivotal to your financial journey. A credit report is like your financial report card, reflecting your creditworthiness based on your credit history. It's an essential tool used by lenders, landlords, and even some employers to assess your financial reliability. Having a good credit score, the numerical summary of your credit report, can unlock doors to better interest rates, favorable loan terms, and a smoother path to achieving your financial goals. In India, there are three major credit reporting companies that you should know: CIBIL, Experian, and Equifax. Each of these companies collects and maintains data about your credit behavior, and their reports may vary slightly due to the different models and algorithms they use. Now let's take a step-by-step look at how to check your credit report in India. Scene script. First, we'll start with CIBIL, India's first credit information company. Navigating the world of credit reports can feel like venturing into a dense jungle, but fear not, it's simpler than it seems. CIBIL, or Credit Information Bureau India Limited, is your handy guide to understanding your financial standing. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of checking your credit report with CIBIL. The first step to embark on this financial journey is to head over to the official CIBIL website. Here, you'll find a form waiting to be filled with your personal details. Remember, accuracy is key. The more precise your information, the more accurate your credit report will be. You'll need to provide your full name, date of birth, address, and identity proof. This could be your PAN card or Aadhaar card number. Next, you'll be asked for your contact details, such as your mobile number and email ID. Once you've filled out these details, you'll need to answer a few questions about your credit history. After this, it's on to the payment. Yes, there's a small fee involved, but think of it as an investment. You're investing in understanding your financial health. Once the payment is done, your credit report will be emailed to you within a few moments. Now you have your report, but what do you do with it? Well, it's time to interpret it. Your CIBIL score will be a 3-digit number between 300 and 900. The closer your score is to 900, the better your creditworthiness. The report will also detail your credit history, including your past and current loans, credit cards, and your repayment record. So take a deep breath, grab a cup of tea, and take your time to go through the report. It's like a financial mirror reflecting your credit habits and history. Use it to understand where you stand and how you can improve. And that's how you check your credit report with CIBIL. With this knowledge, you're one step closer to becoming a master of your own financial destiny. Next, let's move on to Experian, another leading global information services company. To check your credit report with Experian, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. Don't worry, it's not rocket science, but it does require some precision and attention to detail. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to visit the Experian website. Look for the option that says Get Your Credit Report or something along those lines. Click on that. This will lead you to a registration page where you'll be asked to provide some personal information. It's crucial to provide accurate information here, as any discrepancies can lead to errors in your credit report. So take your time and double-check everything before proceeding. Next, you'll be asked to fill out a form. This is where you'll need to provide more detailed information, like your full name as per your government-issued ID, date of birth, gender, and so on. You'll also need to provide your contact details, including your current address and mobile number. Again, accuracy is key, so ensure all the details are correct and up to date. Once you've filled out the form, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your personal information. You might be asked to answer a few questions or provide additional documents for verification. Don't worry, it's all part of the process. After successful verification, you'll be able to access your Experian credit report. It might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Your credit report basically shows your creditworthiness based on your credit history. It includes details of your credit accounts, payment history, and any outstanding debts. A higher score indicates a better credit history, which can make it easier for you to get loans or credit cards in the future. Remember, checking your credit report regularly can help you keep track of your financial health and spot any potential issues early. So, don't shy away from it. And that's how you check your credit report with Experian. Finally, we'll take a look at Equifax, a multinational consumer credit reporting agency. So how do we check our credit report with Equifax? It's pretty straightforward, actually. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Equifax website. Once there, look for a link that says Get Your Credit Report. Click on that. Now, you're going to be asked to fill out a form. This form will require accurate personal information. We're talking about your full name, address, date of birth, and other such details. It's crucial to ensure that all this information is accurate and up to date. So take your time and double check everything. Once you've filled out the form, you're ready to submit it. But hang on, there's a small fee attached to this process. The amount isn't significant, but it's still something you should be aware of. After you've paid the fee, you just need to wait. Equifax will process your request and then send you your credit report. Now, once you've got your report, the real work begins, understanding it. Each section of the report will contain different information about your credit history, your current credit status, and your credit score. Make sure you read through everything carefully. If there's anything you don't understand, don't hesitate to contact Equifax for clarification. And that's how you check your credit report with Equifax. So, we've gone through the process of checking your credit report with the 3 major providers in India. We've underscored the importance of credit reports, how they can shape your financial future, and why you should keep an eye on them. We've explored how to access your report from CIBIL, Experian, and Equifax, each with their unique processes. Remember, a good credit report is key to your financial health, so make sure to check yours regularly. Thanks for watching.